Okay, this is a continuation of the sheet. These are very similar problems to what you're doing for classwork. Basically, you get lost in a cave, which is not the greatest thing. Remembering your physics class, you decide to use the distance and the echo to find out how far away you are from the entrance. Realize that an echo goes there and back. So an echo covers the distance once, and so twice it covers the distance. So if the echo goes there and back in 15 seconds, the time it took to cover the real distance is half of that, or 7.5 seconds. So then you would take the velocity of sound, 343 meters per second, times the time it took to get there once, 7.5 seconds. You cross off your seconds, and you do 343 times 7.5. So in this case, you would be 2572, about 2,600 meters from the mouth of the cave, which is quite a long way. So you're very, very lost here. You attend the Bridgestone and watch the Predators gloriously defeat the Dallas Stars. And from where you're standing, the sound level is 90 decibels. What is the intensity of the sound wave? So you have to use the decibel equation. 90 decibels equals 10 log I, which is what we're looking for, divided by the constant I naught, which is always 1 times 10 to the minus 12th watts per meter squared. Okay, and so we're going to put that in 1 times 10 to the minus 12th watts per meter squared. First thing we can do legally is divide by 10. So we have 9 equals log I divided by 1 times 10 to the minus 12th. So now what we can do is do the anti-log, which means to cross out the log and cross out the 9 and raise 10 to the 9th equals I divided by 1 times 10 to the minus 12th watts per meter squared. And then what we simply do is times this, because it's on the bottom, by this to get the answer. So 10 to the 9th times 1 times 10 to the minus 12th watts per meter squared equals what we want. And we just put that in our calculator. 10 to the 9th times 1 times 10 to the minus 12th. And we get I is 0.001 watts per meter squared. Okay? I'll pause it here for you to do that and look at it, and I'll resume in the next video.